I'm Javier Edes. I'm an associate litigator in the Securities Enforcement and Defense practice here at Jones & Keller in Denver, Colorado. I'm here today with Paul Vorndran, who is a member of the Securities Enforcement and Defense practice and also a leader of the litigation committee here at the firm. Paul, tell me what attracted you to securities work.
It's very interesting. It's factually complicated and it's legally complicated, and no two cases look alike. And if you like to be on the learning curve, this is what is very interesting to me.
So what do you most appreciate about the attorneys here at Jones & Keller in this practice area?
Well, we have a very deep bench of experience in all facets of securities. We have a couple of partners that have many decades of experience in bringing and defending securities cases, in Stu Bennett and David Zisser, who I talk to routinely about various issues that come up. There's really almost nothing that we haven't seen before in some way. And we have a group of young litigation attorneys like yourself who are interested in the area, who are bright, wanting to learn more about it, and are extremely capable in their ability to learn the law, analyze the factual issues, and write the complicated briefs that we're asking them to do.
And you mentioned some of the issues that come up. What are some of those problems that clients encounter in security space?
So I would say that the regulatory authorities that we most defend against, the SEC and the State of Colorado Securities Commissioner, are often fairly, I would say, creative in how they articulate claims against our clients. And it's up to us to pick those apart and develop our arguments that they actually are incorrect about some of their allegations.
And what are the types of matters that you handle specifically?
So these cases come up in a variety of contexts. Individuals who are registered persons in some capacity for securities. Sometimes they're not, but they find themselves in a situation where they've participated in some sort of a securities offer or sale, and the regulators allege that they were not registered to do so, but most of the matters allege some variation on securities fraud under either state securities regulations or under Section 10B or 17A of the federal securities laws.
And when it comes to clients, what can they expect from the firm if they choose to hire us?
Clients can expect that we will turn over every stone. We will analyze to extraordinary depths every angle possible to mount a defense against these kinds of claims.
Is there anything folks would be interested to hear about the practice?
I think clients are frequently surprised about how the initial matter morphs into a variety of related matters. And so what starts as perhaps an investor complaint or an examination by the regulator can turn into all manner of other things. And as we start our representation, we are focused on the fact that these things can happen. And we plan accordingly and we defend accordingly so that we don't make things worse in just taking a sort of an all-out response to the first item. We need to be mindful about all the things that could happen that the clients are not anticipating.
Paul, what do you think separates Jones & Keller from some of the other law firms that operate in the space?
I would say that our economic model at the firm allows us to deliver elite representation on a much more economic basis, and that benefits clients. And we take these client representations extremely personally and work very hard on behalf of our clients.